street here, watching the little birds, and appreciating the kind of place that I live in. All these little birds around here. And why are there so many little birds around here? Well, because it's not 6 feet of snow. It's beautiful, balmy 10 degrees. For February, that's pretty nice. And yeah, Vancouver is great. It's not like Montreal and Ontario and all these different places that people are having to dig themselves out of their yards. And there's lots of birds and little things flitting around here. So, just sharing a nice moment in beautiful BC. Bye.